What's up guys? A few months ago, we tested a cordless vacuum cleaner with intelligent auto dust detection. Now I have a new model of the wireless vacuum cleaner from the BuTure company with a more powerful 450 watts motor, making it great for cleaning up pet hair. The new vacuum cleaner also has an upgraded color touchscreen, up to 55 minutes of runtime, and upgraded 2-in-1 Tangle-free roller. Let's take a closer look at the new BuTure JR700 cordless vacuum cleaner and start by unboxing it. So the box of the new vacuum cleaner looks like this. According to the manufacturer, the main features of the new model are 3 levels of suction power, a multi-stage filtration, and blockage indicator. When you open the box, first you will see a quick start guide, which includes installation, adjust suction by sliding, clean and install dust cup, clean and install floor brush, and removable battery charging, plus wall-mounted design. You can read more about how to use a cordless vacuum cleaner in the user manual. By the way, there are 3 booklets in the package in different languages, such as English, Japanese, Spanish and Italian, French and German. Inside the box we have the main body of the vacuum cleaner with a dust cup, then there's a floor brush, telescopic tube, round brush, crevice tool, small cleaning brush, battery, charger, wall mount stand, and 2 additional filters. The first HEPA filter is already installed in the dust cup. 3 filters are always better than 1. By the way, I also saw a soft tube on the official website, but it requires an additional purchase. We will talk more about accessories a little later, but for now, let's take a look at the main body of the cordless vacuum cleaner. First, I noticed the new color of the vacuum cleaner. As far as I can remember, I haven't tested cordless vacuum cleaners in red color before. It looks very nice, doesn't it? By the way, there are red inserts not only on the main body, but also on the telescopic tube and floor brush. Another interesting detail in design of the BuTure JR700 is something like honeycomb on top. In fact, air is blown out of here when the vacuum cleaner is on. As I said before, the new BuTure cordless vacuum cleaner has an upgraded color touchscreen. We will talk about it a little later. The start and stop button is located on the inside of the handle. There is also a battery release button. I like it when a cordless vacuum cleaner has a removable battery. You can also press the dust cup release button. However, you don't have to take the dust cup off to throw away the rubbish because there's a quick release button on the front. You just need to take off the dust cup if you want to clean or change HEPA filter. As I already said, BuTure JR700 cordless vacuum cleaner has 3 HEPA filters in the package. The manufacturer recommends replacing HEPA filter every 3 months, but I think it can last longer because it is washable. In addition to the HEPA filter, the dust cup has a metal filter. You can also wash it, but make sure that the filters are dry before the next cleaning. By the way, the dust cup has a capacity of 1.2 liters. Now let's go back to the screen of the BuTure JR700 cordless vacuum cleaner. First, we can see the battery level on the screen. By the way, the battery level changes by 1%, not dozens, like on many other cordless vacuum cleaners. Then you can press the plus-minus button to adjust the suction power. There are 3 suction power modes available. The low mode has a suction power of 17 kPa, the medium mode has 25 kPa, and the maximum suction power of this vacuum cleaner is 33 kPa. There is also a brush roller tangled indicator and air passage or dust cup blocked indicator on the screen. When it comes to the accessories of the BuTure JR700 cordless vacuum cleaner, first the manufacturer claims that the floor brush has been upgraded. Hard and soft bristles are integrated together on one Tangle-free roller that works excellently on carpets and floors. With built-in comb structure and a V-shaped roller, JR700 vacuum cleaner truly realizes no tangle of hair. It is a perfect choice for families with pets. That was a quote from the official website. Later we will check how the floor brush really works. There's also a crevice tool and round brush to clean in the hard-to-reach places. By the way, you can connect a floor brush, a crevice tool and round brush to the main body of the vacuum cleaner. However, you can also use a telescopic tube. The length of the tube can be adjusted from 440 to 680 mm. Let's already move on to the practical test of the BuTure JR700 cordless vacuum cleaner. But first, I want to check the noise level. So the noise of the vacuum cleaner in the low suction mode is 65 decibels. It is 68 decibels in medium suction mode. Finally, it is 72 decibels in the most powerful suction mode. You know, I said in the previous video about BuTure JR600 that it was the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that I have tested. However, the new BuTure JR700 has even more powerful motor of 450 watts. The suction power is the same, 33 kilopascals. This is enough to clean any surface and pick up any kind of debris. By the way, I forgot to tell you about 4 LED lights on the floor brush. This is a very useful feature. You should pay attention to it when choosing a cordless vacuum cleaner. When it comes to the battery, BuTure JR700 has a 7-cell removable battery with a capacity of 2200 mAh. The battery life is 55 minutes in the low power mode and 20 minutes in high suction mode. So after testing the BuTure JR700, I realized that it has a few differences from the previous model BuTure JR600. First, the new cordless vacuum cleaner has an updated design and a stunning red color. The touchscreen has also been updated and the motor has become more powerful. However, the new vacuum cleaner has lost one of the main features of the previous model, a built-in dust sensor and automatic dust detection. Overall, these are very similar cordless vacuum cleaners. You can watch our video about BuTure JR600 and choose which one you like more. Thank you for watching. See you soon!